HCL Foundation supported project. Call for action towards COVID-19 in Bengaluru is being implemented by HAI by engaging AIFT, its local member organization in Bengaluru. The focus of this partnership was to intensely minimize the adverse impact of lockdown and the exposure risk of coronavirus through the provisions of food, personal hygiene material, livelihood restoration support, and personal protective apparel to frontline workers in 2 slum locations of Bengaluru.
One of the biggest challenges in the humanitarian sector is responses often get delayed for 2 reasons. One, once a disaster has occurred, humanitarian organizations start looking for financial resources as well as a local partner who is well versed with the local context, has the relationship with local administration, etc. As a consequence, often responses get delayed for a few weeks to even a month or so. In order to address that problem, HAI has a couple of mechanisms, and one of them is having a national platform of grassroots organizations across the country. So we have built some rapport understanding during the peacetime, and that gives us leverage to trigger a response as soon as something has gone wrong. Following the same pattern, we had this organization, Accelerating India Foundation Trust, AIFT, in Bangalore, when we decided to respond to COVID-19 situation in Bangalore with financial support from HCL Foundation.
There were 5 main components under this project: dry ration kit and hygiene kit distribution, personal protective apparel kit distribution, drone-based surveillance and safety announcements in public spaces, system-wide study on the integration of technology in disaster response, and piloting of livelihood activities. Earnest effort was made by HAI along with the local partner AIFT in Bengaluru to mitigate the impact of COVID-19 and the lockdown over the most marginalized communities. The project focused on immediate distribution of dry ration kit and hygiene kit to these families in targeted locations to meet their food requirements during and immediately after the lockdown period, and to protect them from getting affected by the virus. I am disabled and could not work for 2 months. I am not getting my pension. I asked for help many people, but no one supported. But this team helped with ration for my family.
I have 6 people in my family. It was very difficult to lead the life. My son earlier used to go for painting buildings job. After lockdown, we were unable to take care of our daily requirements like food and medicines. I also used to go for housekeeping work to maintain family.
Beneficiaries included highly vulnerable families, including slum dwellers, physically challenged, single parents, elderly, and migrants. The project aimed at distributing PPE kit to ensure occupational safety of health workers, with local partner AIFT, and in coordination with Brihat Bengaluru Mahanagara-paliki. The beneficiaries were 937 ASHA health workers and link workers, who are government essential frontline workers, based on zone criticality needs in Bengaluru urban and rural areas.
I am Manjula. I am from an area near Yelahanka. It was very difficult for all the health workers to serve in the infected areas when cases were increasing drastically in our areas. This kit will help us to serve safely and comfortably in this critical condition. I am thankful to HCL Foundation for this kit, which has made us more confident to go for work.
Drone-based surveillance of public spaces was conducted under this project, in collaboration with local partner, General Aeronautics. It included hotspots, containment zones, and frequently visited spaces, identified by police and local authorities, whose objective was to monitor crowd movement.
The Drone for Humanity is one techno-humanitarian platform that HAI has created, along with the CDDMAS, Center for Development and Disaster Management Support Services. And this is to work in the ecosystem, ecosystem meaning disaster management ecosystem, to see where the technology can come and play a very important role in improving the efficiency and effectiveness of various intervention that is made during the various phases of disaster management. The study outcomes is going to be shared with the government and is going to be shared with the other stakeholders through a comprehensive dissemination process, and it will also be placed in the public domain for people to access it.
And we have a system of GIS mapping of people, and based on this we have mapped the requirement, and we are using technology to identify people. So based on this technology, we are also estimating the quantity of ration which is required, and then it is being delivered, and that delivery is also being monitored. And we are also using drone technology in a big way that carries out the survey, that carries out the need of the people, and the other technological things like app and all which are available. So they are being used by us. So a comprehensive package of technology is being used in the humanitarian assistance. This gives us a great outreach since everybody is digitally connected. It is easy to identify the people, easy to identify the locality, and easy to deliver the services.
What was added advantage of AIFT was its expertise on technology, because HAI always tries to integrate technology in all phases of disaster response, rather disaster management. So AIFT's expertise on technology was a double advantage.
Bengaluru has a large number of migrant workers from various states who are facing the maximum challenge since the lockdown. It is feared that the livelihood pattern is significantly going to be changed once the lockdown gets over, and this scenario is likely to affect those more who work in informal sector. The project piloted 3 livelihood activities.
So under this project, a key objective of ours was to support beneficiaries with livelihood revival, since many of them had lost their jobs, their income and their livelihood during the lockdown. What we aim to do is to revive their source of generation, or to get them trained so they can start another line of work or similar to what they were doing.
I am Prema. During this pandemic, I lost my job and I was offered half salary for the same work. This difficult situation was understood by this trust and gave us the sewing machine to maintain our lives. With this, it is possible for me to stitch some clothes and earn money being at home. This made me very happy to start my own way of making money. I would like to thank this organization for helping me at the right time.
I am Nandakumar from Allala Sandra. After COVID lockdown, people were afraid to get into my auto. I was unable to get a protection screen for my vehicle due to lack of business. HCL Foundation, HAI Foundation and AIFT gave me this screen and safety kit for complete protection. I could see more people getting into my auto after the screen installation. I could see the improvement in the business. I am thankful to the organization for helping me to continue my business.
Under this, the aim was to provide occupational safety to the auto drivers and taxi drivers who are out and about, but with minimal protection, again with only masks. So what we've done is, within their autos and their taxis, we've installed plastic sheets, sanitizing stations with a sanitizer, and also given them protective equipment, so that if they do receive a customer, that there is a barrier between them to provide COVID safety.
HCL Foundation is the first institutional donor to HAI, and that's why I feel very, very obliged to HCL Foundation. Whatever we have been able to do on technology, integration of artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc., a big credit goes to HCL Foundation for that. They are open to idea, and so sometimes they are very proactive in giving ideas to us, which is what we appreciate, because for us, the partnership should always go beyond funding. And this is what is the added advantage of working with HCL Foundation.